Chicken congee or Vietnamese cháo yeah is a rice porridge that my parents would always make for me growing up anytime I wasn't feeling well or just in need of a little comfort. To make it, start by sauteing onion, garlic, and ginger in some oil until fragrant. Then add jasmine rice, make sure to wash it first. You can also use any kind of white rice. Toast the rice for a few minutes, then add in the chicken broth. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes or until it gets to the consistency that you like. Simmer it longer if you want it thicker, or add more broth or water if you like it soupier. A lot of different Asian cultures eat congee, and there are so many different ways you can make it, but they're all so comforting. You can top it with rotisserie chicken, fried shallots, a jammy egg, green onions, cilantro, and enjoy.